Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here and I'll be cooking some steamed fish. I'll be cooking butterfish with some red brim steamed down in with okra, yellow yam, pumpkin, sweet corn. I've got some bami on the side soaking. You know I love fish, I love cooking fish guys. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing today. So guys, I've got some bami. I also got some yellow yam which I will be using. As I said to you before, I normally soak once I've peeled my yam, I leave it in a bit lemon juice or lime so it prevents it from getting black. I've got sweet corn there, carrot, and I've got okra. I've got some Maggi fish seasoning there as well. So I've got potato, pumpkin, bami, and the yellow yam. That's what I'll be using in my fish today. So guys, I've just turned the fire on. So I'm just gonna put some salt in the pot and let that boil up. In the meantime, I'm gonna get all my ingredients ready, like my yellow yam, Irish potato and all that. I'm just gonna cut it all up until the pot's boiling. So guys, now that I've got the pot ready, I'm gonna put my Irish up. Get all my ingredients ready for the pot to boil up. So I'm doing the Irish now. That's the Irish. I've got some yellow yam as well. As I said before, I'm gonna cut them like in really, just dice them up, you know, not too big. That's the yellow yam. I'm gonna put it back in the lemon water because I don't want it to get like black, change the color. That's the pumpkin. Street and no broke badness every day, but she collect it bread. Boy, we not sympathy, so better you go sorry for yourself. True, we are the crowd favorite. I'm just gonna put the pumpkin with the Irish potato. I've got some sweet corn as well, which I'm gonna be cutting in small bits. Street and no broke badness every day, but she collect it bread. we're gonna leave that there for now. So guys, now that the pot's boiling, I'm gonna add some coconut milk in. I always cook steamed fish with coconut milk. And then I'll leave that to boil up again. Then I'll add my yellow yam, pumpkin, so I'm just gonna wash the Irish and the pumpkin to get that ready to put in the pot. I'm gonna take that water off the yellow yam. So it's washed. All these gonna go in the pot to cook. We've got the sweet corn as well, which I'm gonna wash as well. So now that I've got the coconut milk and it's boiling, I'm gonna add my yellow yam. Add my pumpkin and Irish and my sweet corn and just leave that all to cook. So guys, I'm just gonna cut this bami as well. I've got some carrot which I'm eating. I like carrot. The bami, you know, that's just gonna steam with the fish, right? This bami comes from Jamaica. My cousin make bami. You know what make bami, right? Cassava. So that's the bami. Some carrot. A pot there with all the food. So guys, what I've transferred that over into a small pot. Now I'm gonna put my okra, carrot, and all my seasoning in. Get it ready for the fish. Here guys. So guys, now that I've got the butter where I want it, I'm just gonna add the fish in. Now I'm just gonna leave that there to steam. So guys, now that we got that going, I'm gonna add some ripe plantain on top. Let them just stay there and steam. That's going quite good. And I'm gonna add just put the bunny on top and let that stay there and steam as well. So guys, as you can see, I just put some cream crackers on top. I'm gonna leave that for another 10 minutes, then they should be ready to go. So guys, as you can see, that's my steamed fish all ready to go. The bami on the top and everything, you see that? So guys, as you can see, that's my steamed fish. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos. I do appreciate the support and everything, you know. So please remember to like, share, comment, share as well. So just remember to like, share, always leave a comment. Watch my videos if you see anything that you think, or if you want me to try something, you tell me and let me know. You know, so as I said, thanks very much for the support, and I'm out.